Select the one sentence that best meets the requirements of standard written English. A. With the help of climatologists and collaborative chemists to trace the ancient spread of drugs, there is global change through the ages. This sentence is indicating that there is global change through the ages that was made possible with the help of climatologists and collaborative chemists to trace the ancient spread of drugs. This doesn't make sense. There would be global change through the ages even without these climatologists and chemists. Furthermore, the phrase collaborative chemists is awkward and unclear. For these reasons, we can mark this choice as incorrect. B. They are charting global change through the ages with the help of climatologists and collaborating with chemists to trace the ancient spread of drugs. Whereas the previous choice seemed to indicate that the global change was happening due to these scientists, this choice makes it clear that the global change through the ages is happening regardless, and is merely being charted with the help of climatologists. We also see that the subject, they, are collaborating with chemists to trace the ancient spread of drugs. Because this sentence is laid out neatly, we're able to understand it clearly. This is likely our final answer, but we can take a look at our remaining choices just to be sure. C. They are taking new global change through the old ages with the help of climatologists and collaborating with chemists to trace the ancient spread of drugs. This sentence is messy. The meaning of the phrase, taking new global change through the old ages, is confusing and unclear. Taking is an odd verb to use to describe studying or charting change, and old ages is a vague term that doesn't fit our context. Because of its confusing wording, we can mark this choice as incorrect. And D. The chemists are collaborating with the climatologists to mark the spread of drugs as they find global change through the ages. This sentence is technically not grammatically incorrect, but when asked to choose the best answer, choice B stands out as the better of the two. Mark the spread of drugs is less standard phrasing than to trace the ancient spread of drugs, and as they find global change is somewhat vague. Again, this choice is not technically incorrect, but because choice B is the better choice, we can go ahead and mark this off and mark our original answer, choice B, as our final answer.